Aquaba, season's greetings. Welcome to Diane S channel. Trust you're doing well. Hope you have a good day leading into the weekend. October is winding down. Remember the last time we spoke, I told you that there may be something taking place, in October. Well, I am here to tell you it's happening today. Subscribers who reached out to Diane S touching down in a mo to destination Ghana. I'm going to give you a preview because I want you to watch this one-on-one from beginning to end. I find their story thus far fascinating. I hope you do too. This is a preview. A family of 3. One of the spouse born and bred in the US of A. One of the other spouse born and bred in Jamaica. I did say a family of 3. The third is a minor. They departed Jamaica. One of the spouse spent 1.5 years in Jamaica. They departed Jamaica not too long ago and headed to the continent of Africa. Where? Destination Gambia. That is where they reached out to me from. And now it is destination Ghana. So they would like me to facilitate them. And it's going to be 36 hours with Diane S. I'm inviting you because come day 2, we're going to do some serious hardcore boots on the ground. Now, I am pleased that they have decided to touch down here in October because you have heard, many YouTubers speak to it. December, not ordinary. December is not the norm for Destination Ghana. I am feeling some of the effects in terms of traffic. Already, the traffic certainly has increased since I am here. And let me tell you something, stuck in the traffic, being stuck in Ghana traffic, what I'm experiencing now, that is really don't like that. And I don't think you can be too prepared of what I am told December is. As a matter of fact, closing, getting into the middle of November, second week in December, it mad. One ride said to me, Madam, you may have to leave home like at 6:30 in the morning since you say you have things to do, and if you want to avoid this kind of traffic and get back in for 10:30 in the morning. I say, you're serious? But I can tell you something. The way I am averse to traffic, if I have to do that, I will do that. So, the fact that they're coming in now, I think it's going to be much better in the things that we have to do because they're choosing Destination Ghana for more than a moment. Hey, it's going down. It is certainly, most definitely going down. For myself, I am previous. You hear me, getting jazzed up for the Christmas holidays because I told you back home, it's from October. I roll into this. I really do not celebrate Halloween and, not really big on Thanksgiving coming out of Jamaica. And, to really wait until like the 2nd or 3rd week to get it to start doing things where Christmas is concerned. I'm back by the 1st of January. Everything done. No. So Diane S has jumped 2 months ahead basically, and so bear with me, all right, because I think December is going to be a month to remember my first Christmas in Ghana. I'm looking forward to it, But most importantly, right now, I'm looking forward to this family coming in. So I'm heading to the airport because I'm going to give them a real warm welcome. Because again, it's the first time they're touching down to destination Ghana. So please stay with me. Don't go nowhere too far. Alright? And make sure you're invited. So just make sure you watch the one-on-one that's going to be coming up. Until then, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Medasi. God bless.